Welcome back to Sui Crypto. Sui Wallet and Stashed have combined to become Slush Wallet, and in this video we'll go ahead and test out the new features. And this is a product of Mistin Labs, the core team behind the Sui blockchain, Walrus protocol, Sui NS, and a bunch of other major protocols within the ecosystem. Taking a look at it, it says your money unstuck, earn, swap, and explore Sui network. So this came out just a few days ago, April 25th, and so we're going to go ahead and go through the process of creating a new wallet, showing you the features, and then we'll create a stashed link. But before I get started, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So if you already had a Sui wallet, you'll notice that it's updated to Slush Wallet automatically. So if we check out this blog post by Mistin Labs, Sui Wallet and Stashed are now Slush. Today, Sui Wallet and Stashed combined to become Slush, a completely new experience for managing your assets on Sui. Slush brings together Sui Wallet's ease of use and Stash's innovative features such as sending links. Slush is built for everyone from crypto newcomers to power users. If you already had Sui Wallet, you don't have to do anything. It upgraded automatically to Slush. Your logins are going to be the same thing if you were a Stashed user. So it says one wallet built for everyone. Slush is designed to meet users where they are. For those coming from Sui Wallet, the core interface will feel familiar, but now comes with easier ways to share, onboard, and interact. For Stash users, the wallet still offers that clean, beginner-friendly experience with the option to explore more advanced tools whenever you're ready. If you're new to Sui entirely, Slush gives you the perfect starting point. With ZK login, you can create a wallet using Google, Twitch, or Facebook account. No seed phrase management required. And with Slush links, sending tokens or baskets of assets is as simple as sharing a link. So let's go through the process of setting up a brand new Slush wallet. I'm going to start on their X profile, which is where I always recommend you start whenever installing a wallet or going to a protocol just to make sure that you're on the right link. So we're going to click slush.app, Slush your money unstuck. You can see we can launch the web app here, download for Chrome, and they also have a mobile version of this as well. You can see here's a preview of what it looks like on your phone. Frictionless onboarding. Here's the web app, which we're going to install, and then the mobile app. So again, you can manage your Sui assets at home and on the go with ease. With your Slush wallet, you'll have access to all of the Sui ecosystem apps. So let's go ahead and download this for Chrome, and I'm just going to say add to Chrome, add extension. Once the extension's added, I'm going to click up here and I'm going to go ahead and pin it just so it's easy to access. Take you to this page. So you have the option of just using Google or an Apple account to go ahead and create it right away. So you don't have to worry about the seed phrase like most wallets. We click on more options. You can go ahead and create a passphrase account. You can import an existing passphrase, import an existing private key, or you can import from Ledger. You can also sign in with Facebook or Twitch. Let's try it with the Google option. And then here I just go ahead and sign into a Google account that I have. Go ahead and sign in just like I'm signing into Google. Click next. And you're going to get the option from Google, sign into Sui Wallet. It still says Sui Wallet. It's actually Slush. We'll say continue. All right, we've now created a wallet simply using a Google account, a Gmail account. Now I'll go ahead and give it a password. Go ahead and enter a password for your new wallet. Confirm it, click next. Locking time, you can set how often you want it to auto lock. I'll just say 1 day. And then confirm transactions. You can turn that on to require the password to confirm transactions, or you could leave it off. I'll leave it off, click next. Welcome to Slush. Meet your new Slush wallet. So you can see it looks like a standard wallet. Buy, sell, receive, and then we go through this earn, assets, apps, activity, and settings. I'm gonna go ahead and close out of the full screen version of this. So I'm gonna go back to one of my existing wallets. This was a Sui wallet that was automatically upgraded to Slush. And I just want to use this one since it has some stuff in it to show you what it looks like. So here's our portfolio balance. Here's your tokens. You're going to see all the tokens that you have in your wallet. If we click on the piggy bank icon, it's where it's going to show you some lending options, some of the top lending protocols in the Sui ecosystem, Navi, Scallop, SuiLend. It's going to show you some liquid staking options, Aftermath, Hadal, and others. And then native staking is right here. So if you want to stake right through your wallet natively, you can do that. You can choose any of these validators. If we click here on assets, it's going to show us the NFTs that we have in our wallet. If we click right here, this is nice. It shows you all of the apps that your wallet is currently connected to. It's always a good idea every once in a while, check what your wallet is connected to and go ahead, disconnect from anything that you don't recognize. If we click right here, it's going to show us our transaction history. And then right here, it's going to show us our current account settings. And this is kind of neat right here. Theme, you can change this. By default, it's going to be blue blizzard, dark. You could change it to frostbite. You can go orange, or you can go banana blitz. And then this is just going to be your wallet settings. Again, you can go through here and set them up however you'd like. A couple other things we'll point out. So buy, sell, let's click on that. You can buy Sui right through the Slush wallet. Let's click on buy. Let's just say $5 next. And then it's going to give you your options. So it looks like I could buy it via Coinbase through the wallet right here. And then depending on where you're located, you might have some other options as well to buy it through the wallet. So that's pretty cool. If we click on receive, this is your Slush wallet receive address for Sui or any Sui ecosystem tokens. Send. So there's two options now. This is really where the merger of Sui Wallet and Stashed comes into play. So directly to a wallet is an option. This is just like a normal wallet where you select the amount of Sui or any other Sui ecosystem token that's in your wallet that you want to send to another wallet address. So for example, let's go back to the new wallet that I just created. Let's just say I want to receive some Sui. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that address. Then we'll go back to my Slush Wallet that has some Sui in it. We'll send 25%, so 0.63 Sui. We'll paste in that receive address of the new wallet. Here's your estimated gas fee, which you can see is extremely low on Sui. And then we'll say send. Just like that, it was sent, and you can see they've added some sound effects to the wallet, which is kind of cool. You can turn those on or off as well in the settings. Let's go ahead and check our new wallet that we created, and you can see we've already received that 0.63 Sui. So super easy, super fast, simple. Let's go back to our original wallet here, and you can see it was sent in just 0.64 seconds, which is super fast. Okay, so it's that simple to send Sui from one wallet to another. Let's click on send again, and let's test out this option, claimable slush link. Again, this is where the merger of Stashed and Sui Wallet come into play. So let's click on this one. Select assets to give away. Any asset in your account can be transferred via a unique link. The first person to claim the link will receive the assets in their wallet. So you can send Sui or any Sui ecosystem token, or you can send any NFTs that you have in your wallet. So let's go ahead and say add coins. And in this example, we'll go ahead and add Walrus wall token and then enter the amount. So I'll just say 5 and I'll say add. So we're going to create a slush link that contains 5 Walrus tokens, and whoever you share the link with is able to go ahead and claim it. Pretty unique thing here. So we'll go ahead and say create link. So here's my slush link. Post or send the link for someone to claim the assets. You can reclaim the stash before it is claimed by anyone else if you want to. So you just click reclaim. Let's go ahead and copy the link. So I can now share this link on any social media. I could email it to a friend, and all they'd have to do is click the link to claim those 5 wall tokens. So let's go to another browser. Let's just paste it into the browser and see what happens. That's the link. I just pasted it in the browser. Again, I could have put this on Twitter, on Facebook, anywhere, and anybody that clicked the link would be taken to this page to go ahead and claim these assets, right? 5 Walrus tokens. So it says claim these assets, select the account that will claim these assets. So we'll just say Google. I'm going to go ahead and select the Gmail account that I used to create the wallet in this example. But again, even if the person does not have a Slush wallet, it will just go ahead and create a new one for them. I'm going to go ahead and say next. It recognized that I already had a wallet set up. But again, if they don't have one, they simply create one like we did, super fast, using Google, Apple, Facebook, or Twitch. Claim these assets, select the account that will own the assets. This is the account. I'm going to say claim stash. Successfully claimed 5 wall tokens. You can see they're in my wallet, and you can see there are the wall tokens. So a lot of different ways I can envision using slush links to send Sui ecosystem assets. You could use it for giveaways on social media. You could use it just to send to friends and family, and just to help onboard people to the Sui ecosystem. Again, all they need to have is a Gmail account, Apple, Facebook, or Twitch. So this is a pretty big innovation by Mistin Labs. The merger of Sui Wallet and Stash to create Slush Wallet is a really nice enhancement for the ecosystem, and I think will go a long way to accelerate adoption as we head further into 2025, making it easy to merge Web 2 and Web 3. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more crypto content. See you in the next one.